All right, so we have a situation here, whereas obviously the building is shifted to the right. So we are, let's just say for easy math, it's 1.5 inches at the bottom. And 5.5 inches at top. If I were to bring that out by take this molding off, then we come and look back here. This is what's going on. This door is not anchored in any way to the outside wall. It runs independent of itself. All I have to do is bring everything out 4 inches. So basically take a 2x4, rip it on an angle, put it here on the inside to shim this out, and over here use the other half of the 2x4 over there. Just cut them all. So we would need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rip those 2x4s. Actually, you get to use the other half, but anyways, 4 2x4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I cut them in half, yeah, 4 2x4s. Then put this framing back on. Of course, you got to recut the metal here. This siding in the middle, I would use a solid piece of AZEK in the middle, so the siding wouldn't be there anymore. This last piece of siding would stay. This would be one solid white piece. Everything again would look level on all 4 doors. It would be square on all 4 doors. This is out of square. This is out of square. But to make things look square, this can be brought down a little bit because your eye won't catch that level. Actually, to make it level, you have to bring it down. So we'd bring it back into level. Everything would be in level as you see it. And we wouldn't interfere with anything with the doors. Those slide right where they are the whole time. And by looking at this space on the inside, and because of the placement of these bushes, you cannot see that this building is out of square, except for at the door. But walking up to these doors, screams at you, we have a serious issue with this garage. When in fact, it's not a serious issue. It's structurally sound. We just have an out of square issue that can be resolved by changing the framing on the doors.